What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just wanted to do a quick video about something I received, even though I'm a Samsung guy all the way. I got the Note 9 and the Note 10 is on its way. See, it says Apple right down here. Let's open it up real quick. Here, let me change that real quick. Okay. It's a pretty elegant box too. Ta-da! I had to cover my name up, of course. It's laser etched metal and it's pretty heavy. Can't get it there. I don't know. Get it to focus. As you notice, it has nothing on it except for your name and some laser etched logos. It's pretty heavy too. I have another metal card, but this one's a little bit heavier. Goldman Sachs issues it. And as you notice, it has nothing on there except for your name and the etched Apple logo, shiny on the side, and the chip. The crazy thing is they gave me a $12,000 credit limit, and that's a pretty big limit, but I'm not an idiot and I don't use cards that way. I pay them off at the end of the month. Only use them for the points. On the reverse side, it just says Goldman Sachs and MasterCard. It's laser etched too. Anyway, keep it real.